Good afternoon po. Hello, Andrea Borja, daughter of Alex and Rina Borja.
Pang-ilan?
I am the oldest
Panganay.
of Rina and
Kapampangan na mo, biyasa naman mag-English. Ay, Kapampangan. Okay, next. Yes. Oh, next. Oh, Ate Chloe. Chula ka preach. Ate Chloe. Magpakilala ka na, ate. Sige, lakasan mo.
Anak ko ni Nora.
Pang-ilan po kayong anak ni Nora? Pang-ilan po? Pangatlo? Pangatlo po. Asa si Rayu? Okay, next. Thank you, Kuya Gab.
Ako po si Kathleen B. Arcates, anak ko ni Cherry.
Pang-ilan?
Bunso.
Okay. Okay, next. Ate, asa na yung cellphone? Cellphone. Okay. Kuya Naita, take a picture, please. Okay.
Ako po si Kimberly B. Borja. Pangalawang anak ni Alex and Rina Borja.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Now, are you ready?
Yes. Yes!
Okay. Judges, are you ready? Ready na po kayo? Okay, game.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is
Kenneth, picture mo na lang.
so loud. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who is naughty and nice. Santa
Ito ka, Nathan. Kunan mo eh.
Claus
Kuya, give that to, ano.
sees you when you're sleepy. He knows when you're awake.
Dapat buo sila.
He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Hey, you better watch
Teng.
out. You
Teng.
better not cry.
May yakwala.
You better not pout. I'm telling you what
Kuya, usod kayo. Nakukuha kayo kayo sa camera.
is coming.
Spotlight ka. Usod ka. Yan.
He sees you when you're sleepy. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Hey, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Woo!
The very next day, you gave me the way. This year,
Kuya, you take a picture?
save me from tears.
Kuya,
I
Nathan,
give you to someone
take a picture to them.
special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. From the very next day, you gave me the way. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special.
Ang putang metong ah.
Kung kailan
Woo!
pinakamadilim, makasala,
I love that song.
gaano man sa kapalang ulap, sa likod nito ay may liwanag. Ang liwanag na ito, nasa ating lahat, may sinadang bawat pusong bukas. Sa init ng mga yakap, naghihilom ang lahat ng sugat. Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw,
Sabi mo kaya ba, I miss you, Tita Lorna. Okay?
Kundi
Sabi mo.
ikaw, salamat sa liwanag mo.
You take a picture?
Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo.
Merry
Muling
Christmas, Santa.
magkakakulay liwanag na ito'y nasa ating lahat. May
Ano magkatawo?
bawat
Taburay mo eh.
bukas sa isip.
Hayaan nyo.
Nangangayabang, maghihilom, ang lahat ng sugat. Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw, walang iba, kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo.
Kuya, picture, ah.
Magpapakulay ang Pasko. Salamat sa liwanag mo. Muling magpapakulay ang Pasko. Dahil ikaw, bro. Dahil ikaw, bro. Dahil ikaw, bro. Ang tanaw Pasko.
Merry
Whenever I see girls and
Are,
boys
tema.
and lanterns on the street,
Yeah.
in the major and in the
Hoy, palagay ako sa tinalala rin eh.
there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards.
Huwag tayo,
I
payari.
believe that
Kaya ako pa
Christmas
ano.
is truly
Kaya pa, mama, oh.
Let's light our Christmas trees for the bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one
Ano na pa?
in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love
Finish you,
we
Tita
have
Lorna,
for
after.
Jesus. Let me be the one to guide us
We love you.
as another new year start, and may the spirit of Christmas we always sing our heart. Advance Star Christmas, Tita Ned and Tita Lorna. We miss you and I love you.
Tita Lorna, we miss you so much,
Tita Lorna, we miss you so much.
Oh, gagagay, Tita Lorna. Tita Lorna, why are you crying? Amo, picture at ako pa. Nano ita? Ate na nano? Oh, nano request? Oh, silent night. Okay, okay, silent night. Okay, sit down, please. Silent night. Hoy, ela sa 50 rin sa dinanan lo. Kadakadakinan tayo. Nano? Oh, babae lalaki daw kasama. Go! Silent night. Go! Oh, may gitara. Kuya, babae lalaki, bilis.